Introducing the Genius Tools 12-point quarter-inch drive metric hand socket set. A versatile set of tools that can access and turn fasteners at any angle with ease. Made from Chrome Vanadium steel with a polished finish and an anti-corrosion coating, it features a strong and long-lasting exterior and boasts superior inner core strength. This set includes 11 sockets with sizes ranging from 5mm to 14mm. Each socket has a 12-point design that allows for better rotational positioning. Clear and permanent size markers are stamped on for easy identification and organization. The set also comes with a socket rail for convenient storage and retention. Rated to meet or exceed ANSI specifications, Genius Tools stands behind its quality with a limited lifetime warranty, safeguarding you against any manufacturer defects. You can trust Genius Tools to provide a versatile and durable set of tools at an affordable price. Genius Tools, built for pros, made for life.